let's talk about the number one mistake I see people do when curling their hair. Are you doing that? Okay, so let's talk about it. I'm gonna use an iron that's not on for this so that I don't overexpose my hair to heat. So when you curl your hair like this, the hair that is on the iron, this hair right here, your fragile ends that don't need as much heat are getting the most heat. And then each time you spin, each layer of hair is getting less heat because it's laying on top of another layer of hair. So this part right here gets the least amount of heat. And if you leave the curling iron on long enough to get this as hot as it needs to be, your ends are going to be crispy and fried. Also, you're gonna get more curl at the bottom, less curl at the top, because you didn't expose this hair to as much heat, as long, or as hot. So let's talk about what we should do instead. So you start at the top, you clamp, and spin. And see how that top hair is getting direct heat from the iron, and you don't have to leave it on as long. Move down, spin, move down, spin. This way, all of the layers of hair from the base all the way to the end gets direct heat from the iron. It doesn't have to stay on as long, and your ends get to stay out, so they get to be protected. And that way you get a more even curl from the base all the way to the end. Let me know if you have any questions.